In this video, we're going to show you how to install the suspension pads on your washer. So our pads, when they come new, there's 3 in a package. So you want to change all 3 at the same time. So you have your old pad already removed. So the installation is very easy. You're just going to take that pad, set it up into place, because it's got 2 fingers. There's 2 holes here in the frame, 1 for each finger. Line it up and set it into place. Now you would have already had this jacked up in order to remove your old pad. So you're just going to take that pressure off by lifting up on your tub. Pull that screwdriver or whatever block you've used to hold that plate up out of place. Now that your suspension plate is sitting down on the pad, it needs to be pressed down. So I just take the tub, apply pressure, and it pushes those pads right into place. No fancy tools. All you do is just press down on the tub and it'll push them into place.